Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Cash flow management. What is cash flow management? Cash is considered to be the most liquid of assets and is considered to be most eminent for growth and investment. Therefore, for an organization, it is most important to manage the activities which provides cash in effectively manner. The cash flow forecasting and management helps in interminable operations and transactions of the business. Objectives of cash flow management. It helps in interminable operations and transactions of business. It enhances the comparability of the cash dealings in an organization, and also it eliminates the effect of accounting treatments for the same transactions and events. Why is working capital management crucial to a company? For an organization to grow, the goal is to have an effective working capital management, which helps in ensuring the firm's continuity. It enables in maturing both short-term debts as well as upcoming operational expenses. The management involves managing the inventories, account receivables and payables, and also cash. Why is cost management essential for every business? The major challenge nowadays is to manage the cost of business. Therefore, cost management is required in an organization as it is a process of planning and controlling the budget of a business. It is a form of management accounting which allows a business to predict impending expenses to help reduce the chances of going over budget. Thus, it is a planning, estimating, budgeting, financing, funding, managing, and controlling cost so that the task can be completed within the approved tenure and budget. It helps in assuring competitiveness in long run. Improve shareholder value. It also helps in improving the shareholders' value by revenue growth strategies and productivity strategies. Activities of effective cost management. Analyzing of business objectives, establishing budget cost reports, preparation of charts, etc., evaluating cost saving, excessive cost, efficiency, etc., and many more. What are the profit maximization strategies? These are the basic motive of an organization is earning profits. Profit is the most functional area of an organization. Therefore, the opportunities are being looked into the maximization of the same. What are the profit maximization strategies that you can use? These are revenue growth plan, optimization of operating expenses, process outsourcing strategy, pricing strategy, business trending analysis, financial analysis, systematic controls, and improving the business efficiency. Conclusion. Hence, we can conclude that an effective cost flow management system is extremely essential for any company that wants to keep a track of its business transactions. A company that avoids cash flow management will be unable to forecast and manage the interminable operations, transactions, and cash dealings in a company. Henceforth, it is very important for the growth and success of any company.